Hi everyone. Learning English helps us see the world. It helps us talk to new people and learn about different places. Today we're going to France. France has lots of history, art and yummy food. It's famous for its romantic language and cool places to visit. From the Eiffel Tower to the Palace of Versailles, France is beautiful. Let's learn some easy English words while we learn about France. Get ready to say bonjour to France. Let's learn new words and new things together. Did you know France is the #1 place people visit? Lots of people go there every year. They want to see the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the pretty streets of Paris. France also has yummy food. Croissant is a French word for a buttery, flaky pastry. French cheese is famous everywhere. Camembert and Brie are two favorites. France has a lot of history too. The French Revolution was a time of big change. It gave us the motto Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. These are important words for everyone. Learning a little French makes our trip better. Bonjour means hello. It's a nice way to greet someone. Merci means thank you. It shows we are grateful. But s'il vous plaît means please. It's important when we ask for something. When you want to say you're welcome, say de rien. These easy words will make our trip more fun. Language helps us understand each other. By learning some French, we learn more about French culture. It's fun to try speaking French when we visit. Learning English and exploring other cultures go together. Our trip to France has just started. We learned some fun facts and some French words. Remember, every trip starts with one step. Enjoy learning and exploring. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep saying oui to new adventures. The world is full of amazing places and cultures. So keep your passports ready and your minds open to new things. Until next time, bon voyage!